Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2014 Chevrolet Impala LTZ, equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated ventilated seats, panoramic sunroof, navigation, blind spot monitoring, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. You're going to have this black interior with paneling coupled with storage on the bottom, next to the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to the power lock, smears your windows with a wooden chrome, as well as your seat memory there. You're going to have these power adjustable, heated ventilated leather seats. Super nice. Left side of your vents, and as well as your powered trunk there with park assist and lane departure warning. Left side of steering wheel being your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control, which you can access all of your trip info, as well as your gauges here, and as well as your audio, phone connectivity, navigation, and other settings as well. Let's push to start onto the infotainment. You've got Bluetooth connectivity with AM/FM radio, as well as built-in navigation here, as well. A little storage right behind with the USB port, as well as a CD player with the dual zone climate controls. And you're gonna have a 12-volt DC port. Center console here with the heated ventilated seats and traction control, and as well as extra center console storage. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, wooden chrome across, speakers, vents up top, and then here you can access your reading lamps, and as well as your panoramic sunroof. So you're gonna do these 19-inch wheels on Goodyear Eagle tires with the chrome mirror caps, and then the keyless entry door handles, tinted rear glass. When you come into the back, you got the dual exhaust and the trailer hitch here, as well as lots of extra trunk space. You got the Impala floor mat there, and as well, extra storage down below, and tools. It's a pretty spacious rear. We're moving on to the rear interior, getting more paneling and storage next to the speaker, power window with a chrome accent. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, with rear vents and a rear AC wall port, and as well as a 12-volt down below. Cup holder and armrest right in the center, speakers at the back, lamps at top, and above you that panoramic sunroof. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2014 Chevrolet Impala LTZ, equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 engine, as well as heated ventilated leather seats, navigation, forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.